Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, here going to show you or discuss with you Lucky Orange Shopify setup tutorial. So if you're interested, let's get started. So you might be wondering, what is Lucky Orange on Shopify? How do you install it? What's its use? So let's go and first discuss what is Lucky Orange. Now, Lucky Orange, so imagine that you've got your Shopify store up and running and you want to actually see what visitors are doing when they land on your site. No, in this case, not just numbers, but real actions. So that's where Lucky Orange heat maps actually come in. So basically, Lucky Orange creates these visual maps of your website and that show where people are clicking, how far they scroll, and even where their mouse hovers. It's kind of like watching someone use your site without actually standing over their shoulder. Now, in this case, the colors make it super easy to read red or orange spots where people are most active. And cooler colors like blue or gray show less activity. So if everyone's clicking around your product images, just ignoring the add to cart button, that's a major red flag here. Now, maybe it's not visible enough or in the wrong place. Now, to get this going, you need to install Lucky Orange app from the Shopify App Store, but once it's actually installed, it starts tracking everything automatically for you. Now you get a dashboard where you can check out heat maps for any page on your store and even filter by device, like mobile or desktop, or by date, which is super helpful here. Now, in this case, how do you start using it? Now, this case, first things first, you want to go ahead and go to Shopify here, and you want to go and log into your account and access your actual store. So here in your Shopify store, you need to make sure that you set everything first up. That includes the products, the design of your store, so everything from the basics here. So in this case, I would really recommend you that you finish your UI first, because in this case, you need to have it complete. So in order for you to see how people actually interact with your Shopify store. But then again, I'm assuming you already have this set up and also all your products. Now, in this case, in order for us to install Lucky Orange here, you want to go to your settings at the bottom left, and you want to go to the option here for Apps and Sales Channel. Click on Shopify App Store at the top right, and you want to go ahead and click on the Search Apps and Guides at the very top. Now from here, you just want to type in Lucky Orange. Just search for it, and you should be able to see Lucky Orange heat maps and replay here. Let's go and click on Install. And also, by the way, just to give you some idea here, the great thing about Lucky Orange Heat Maps and Replay is you can actually use this for free. Now, you have like 100 sessions per month and 30 days data storage here. They also have the Launch, Build, and Grow. So in this case, depending on the plan you get here, you get more out of the app. But yeah, so let's go and click on the previous tab here. Let's go and click on Install. And just wait for it to fully install. But once it's actually installed, it should redirect you to the setup page. Now from here, you need to specify your shop name here, your full name, your email. So let's go ahead and basically add a shop name here. So let's just say it's going to be my store. Let's go and click on connect with Shopify. And once you've done this, what we need to do next is we just need to complete a few details. So let's just wait for this one. And from here, it's going to ask you to basically add a password. So in this case, it needs to be at least 8 characters, contains an upper, lowercase, and a special character. And also, you need to accept the terms of service and privacy statement here. Now, if you want to read through it, you can go ahead and basically click on the terms of service and privacy statement here to read them up. But let's go and provide the necessary details from us. Now from here, it's going to ask us to set up our store. So in this case, first, what will you be using Lucky Orange for? So let's just say we are optimizing site for my company. Let's go and click on continue to setup. From here, what is the name of your organization? It's going to provide our organization name. Now you could go and skip, you could go and just basically enter any name here, even your store name. So you can click on continue to setup. And from here, it's going to say, what is your primary role at the following organization? Now, from here, we want to say we are the I create, manage, assign work here, or data analytics. Let's go and click on continue to setup. From here, what would you like to do first in Lucky Orange? So you have heat maps, session recordings, reports, or live chat support. Let's go and choose heat maps here and click on continue to setup. And from here, speed eraser tells what your website will be tracking. Enter the website domain. So let's go ahead and go to our Shopify store here. Go ahead and click on settings here. Want to go to domains, and let's go ahead and just copy our domain name here. You can go and click on it from here. Just go and copy it. Once you've done that, let's go and go back in here. Click on continue to setup. It's going to say success. Your new account has been created. Now from here, as you can see, we have our store set up here, and you could basically access Lucky Orange. Now at the left side here, we have our main options or tools. Now overview here gives you an overview on what you could do here on Lucky Orange. That includes, like, for example, some tutorials here, dynamic heat maps, your book your free onboarding session here, and also just how-to sections or articles here that you can basically read. Now you also have chat at the top left here if you want to basically chat with support, or say you have like a lucky helper here just in case if you have any questions. Now this is a bot. Also you have your dashboard, which contains most of the details, or in this case the things that you could view and do within the platform itself. Like for example, live visitor snapshots, your total visits, the location, so you have your in this case your website being accessed on different countries, your top pages, and your daily trends here. And in this case, you can even select your funnel here. So you have Shopify checkout. You have sources and devices here and browsers. So basically any information that you need for a heat map or mapping, or in this case, how popular a certain element or a page in your website. You also have visitors here, which in this case gives you automatic or details regarding your visitors. Like for example, the pages, the duration, the source, key events that they did, and cart overview and session watch. Now, I also have the communicate here, which in this case allows you to basically create surveys here. They also have announcement, you have chat invites, chat activity, and chat settings. Now, for analytics, if you click on this one, this allows you to get insight on how your website is performing, like your page views, unique visitors here. So anything information-wise on how you're performing or your website's performing, this is where you'll be able to see it. You also have your settings just in case if you want to change a few things, like the members of your organization here, your teams, your privacy, and your integrations, and a lot more. Now you could also go to sites here if you want to see your sites. You can even add another site here if you want. Also have your plan and billing here. As you can see, these are the sessions that is running for our account, and also personal information, notification settings here, and email reports. But yeah, so those are the basics that you need to get to know here in Lucky Orange. Now you might be wondering why didn't we set anything up here. So as long as you provide the actual website for your store, Lucky Orange will do everything for you. So you don't have to worry about anything. It will automatically do that for you. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Thank you for watching.